However, numerous monetary forms have attacked the much sought-after crypto market. The most talked of and high-positioned are ZILLIQA, ZIL, which is an ERC20 token. This was the coming of the year 2017, when the chief executive officer of ZILLIQA, Mr. Xinshu Dong, and his group concocted this splendid thought of sending off this resource. His thought was upheld by his devoted company of advisors and blockchain calculation specialists who rejuvenated this ZILLIQA crypto. Allow us to investigate the ongoing subtleties of ZILLIQA and comprehend the ZILLIQA cost expectation for what's in store. ZILLIQA Network is a blockchain network that started in Singapore and was established by Prateek Saxena, Amrit Kumar, Max Cantilia. It embraced the Ethereum blockchain prior to starting its own and is home to many decentralized applications. As a guileless contestant in the speculation market around 2018, not very many individuals knew about ZIL money and were a little fearful about exchanging ZIL crypto. A significant benefit of the ZILLIQA coin is that you can execute rates as the blockchain network extends, adding to a wonderful expansion in the quantity of diggers. ZILLIQA is the first of its sort of open blockchain worked with sharding innovation. It runs a programming language called Scilla and carries out useful Byzantine fault tolerance. It can tackle the current issue of versatility involving its sharding technique as dynamic scaling arrangement. ZILLIQA can address venture issues as it can deal with an enormous volume of exchanges. Upheld by a vigorous and high transfer speed public blockchain stage, the issue ZIL has tended to are the openness issues setting up a mixture agreement instrument. For this situation, hub activity is completely dependent on the proof of work, POS, hash. A special element of ZILLIQA is that it can trap deceitful or false exchanges by peers, wherein an affirmed block is equipped for following the first block. ZILLIQA depends on cryptographic strategies that are dependent on zero divulgence proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Consequently, security obstructions are captured first. The credit goes to the advancement of Zero Convention by ZILLIQA, which is the standard of the whole decentralized finance environment, which is one more send-off in offing. A notable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This distinguishable quality makes it interesting contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and simultaneously lays out a plenty of mining roads. According to the authority site, they focus to change advanced framework across different networks. Subsequently, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of ZILLIQA tokens as impetuses in carrying out shrewd agreements and move reserves. Besides, it has fostered its own brilliant agreement language called Scilla, by which designers can compose savvy contracts according to a well-being perspective. Numerous shards assist with handling an extremely high throughput of exchanges in a practical, silicon-smooth way with more effectiveness. Investigation of ZIL's historical price movement. The cost journey has been fashioned with shocks combined with exciting bends in the road. The ongoing cost of ZILLIQA, ZIL, is at $0.058 and it exchanges under a downtrend. The market capitalization of ZILLIQA is $719,545,402, with $12,289,142,698 ZIL being current flowing stock. ZILLIQA cost today is devalued by 20.2% to the cost with which it has entered the year 2022. The last day, i.e., 24-hour cost change has a by and large story to describe. Our verdict on ZILLIQA coin price prediction. The value expectations of different specialists don't deflect ZILLIQA, ZIL, from outflanking the opponents using any and all means. The ZILLIQA people group has set higher benchmarks for itself regardless. ZIL's portion in the crypto world will outperform the assumptions for all financial backers who have found this stage very intuitive and simple. One more significant send-off of ZILLIQA's symbolic trade is set to divulge soon, which would be supported by huge numbers of trades. It wouldn't be an embellishment to find that ZILLIQA has scaled a pinnacle of $0.0361. However, the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and light reach. ZILLIQA price prediction 2022 to 2026. ZILLIQA figure and ZIL cost forecast outline has genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, absolutely changing the pattern from starting towards the year's end. The coin has had a noteworthy excursion over the course of the past year. ZIL coin's pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions. New partnerships and improvement would carry ZILLIQA to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded digital currency. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an intense test for crypto rivals. In light of one-year verifiable information and market cap improvement, there is even a ZILLIQA estimate that the cash might concoct its own blockchain stage, progressing itself from Ethereum base, getting enrolled in the significant cryptographic money trades of the world soon. As per the last year's cost force and from the outset of this current year, ZILLIQA could offer a bye to all negative and cynical patterns, and it could mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments brimming with idealism. The coin entered 2020 subsequent to experiencing a negative cycle with a cost $0.004. Later ZILLIQA has denoted another unequaled high in the long stretch of May 6, 2021 at 25 cents. From that point forward, the ZIL coin checked moderate development till the finish of the last year. According to ZILLIQA cost expectation, the coin has stamped impressive revision starting from the start of this current year, and it could record peripheral recuperation, in spite of brief cost declines. From our momentary specialized investigation following are the opposition level and backing levels of ZIL. ZILLIQA price prediction 2022. The ZILLIQA cost is anticipated to exchange above 8 cents in the year 2022. The normal high of ZILLIQA cost is $0.086, while the low is $0.073. The ZILLIQA (ZIL) cost expectation for the year's end is around $0.082. ZILLIQA price prediction 2023. The cost of ZILLIQA is anticipated to exchange around $0.095 in the year 2023. The normal high of ZIL cost is $0.1, while the low is $0.085. The ZILLIQA cost estimate part for the year's end target is around the normal cost of $0.088. ZILLIQA price prediction 2024. For the year 2024, the anticipated normal cost of ZIL could exchange around $0.099. The normal high of ZIL cost is 12 cents, while the low is around $0.087. For long-haul financial backers, ZILLIQA will be a nice wise speculation road. Financial backers can procure over 100% return in the following 2 to 3 years on the off chance that they follow the well-known way, purchase on plunges. ZILLIQA price prediction 2025. In the realm of digital currencies, there could be estimates of supernatural occurrences, there could be wizardry in the present moment as well. 5 years is quite a while. With a pandemic immunization coming to the front, according to specialists' reports, it might mean a blast time for ZIL. ZILLIQA could mirror a gigantic cost increment and could contact past all-time high worth. Consequently, we can expect that it could cross the 14 cents mark toward the finish of